Hi guys, today's episode will be just quick video how just gonna quick fix hose. You just see it's broken. It's a slime air compressor. So first what you have to do, just have to remove a couple of screws, Phillips, that hose. So yeah, let's just take the screws. First you gotta count how many you have. You got 5, 4, you got all of them, so that's good. You can store them. First you gotta break the seal and probably lose the warranty as well. Oh, there's one more hanging there somewhere. Oh yeah. Alright, I'll just take that one too. Well, let's get this out. Alright. So here we have made in China, of course. So yeah, this is it. So the best way will be to just break that squeezy piece. Will be a little bit difficult. Well, we can try with that kind of pliers maybe. It's aluminum, so maybe that's some press fitting goes right on it. Oh, we break it, be careful so you don't smash your fingers. That's the part, and that's the hose. So a way of fixing these things, let's just make this simple. First what we're gonna do, I'm gonna make it a little bit shorter, but it's okay. You just have to, that's soft material somewhere here starts, so I'm just gonna cut that away. So yeah, we got it. And then maybe we can use that one. Acceptable. Maybe we can find something smaller. I think we got it. Some tiny, so that'll be fine. And just gonna put this back. We can pre-lube these things a little bit, but I'm gonna use like that and make this tight right here. Don't know how this thing's gonna last, but anyway, let's see something. If this is okay, that's a cushion. I just wonder if this is some bridge for venting. So light goes there. It's a switch for the light as well. Okay, so you got the on off, compression pump on and off, and this is interesting auto stop. See the cable right here? you're just moving with a dial, and you can set up auto stop feature. It's connected to the, let's see, it's connected to that metal, and here it's connected to the gauge. So it's a auto shut off feature. Interesting. So then, well, that part fell off, and it was here. Alright, there's nothing interesting on this unit. It's regular pump. So yeah, that's it. That's quick fix. I just put it back together, and it's pretty expensive compressor. Probably stays around like $40, far as I know. So yeah, this is it. That's how to fix your inflator. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.